Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Inspect your palm for callus patterns, cuts, or numbness so you know what to avoid. Begin short, focused sessions, 10 to 15 minutes, doing finger squeezes, palm presses, and wrist curls to activate tissues. Use a soft ball first, then a 1 kg grip object. Once comfortable, increase to 2-3 kg. Apply firm but controlled pressure. Rest between sets. This rapid start primes skin, tendons, and nerves, so you build toughness without causing acute injury. Once done with the starter week, shift to the core routine. Train 4 to 6 times weekly, combining endurance sets, higher reps with lighter resistance, with short, heavy sets to stimulate adaptation. Use proper hand placement to spread force across the palm. Avoid pinpoint stress. Add skin conditioning. Controlled dry friction and a brief pumice session 1 to 2 times weekly, then moisturize after showering to keep skin resilient. Make sure nutrition supports repair. Adequate protein. Finish by shifting into maintenance. Reduce frequency to 2 or 3 focused sessions per week, and vary intensity so the palm stays strong without overuse. If you encounter persistent pain, numbness, or open wounds, stop the regimen, rest, and evaluate. These are red flags. For small issues, protect skin with tape and allow gradual reintroduction. For ongoing problems, consult a professional. Make sure to keep periodic debridement and protective habits so gains last and problems don't recur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.